What is up, YouTube? So today I'm here with a friend.
Hi.
Ara. And we've hit it off pretty well from day one. We always come up with these creative ideas, be it an Instagram shoot or a YouTube video or something like that. We're always like, hey, let's try this, let's try a new idea, let's try a different concept. So we're constantly putting out work like workhorses, literally. So I said, why not take it like a notch further, like let's level up a little more. And if you remember right, we used to like sit on YouTube and watch all these crazy desk setups and home studio setups and stuff like that. So I said, why not take up that mega project? And we did. I have no idea how it's going to come out, but I'm super excited for it. And that's basically what we've taken up. It's going to be this home studio that's extremely versatile, that lets us do a lot of different things in that one space. It is also going to be our primary desk setup, so that we can, sit, she can edit her pictures, I can edit my videos, stuff like that, So it's going to be this work office space right at home in the comfort of our four walls. We decided to take her room. This is of course her room, this is her place. So we took one corner of her room and we decided to completely transform it. You're gonna have to stick to the end of the video to see what we've done with it, but trust me on it, the result is gonna be insane. So stick to the end and we're gonna take you through this whole vlog and show you all how we did this. This is a DIY project. We haven't gotten any laborers from outside or any of that stuff. This is literally all done by the two of us. There was a lot of sourcing that went in. There was a lot of research that went in. We had to get a billion different things to put this together, be it in a small space, but there were a billion different things that came into play. So that's what this video is going to be about. Do not miss it. Stick to the end and you will be shocked with the results. Stick around, stay blessed, keep putting in the work, and let's start the video.
Yep.
So this is the area that we are going to be working with. As you guys see, it's an absolute blank canvas. It's one corner of the room, and we're going to be transforming it into something that is more usable and something really classy and creative. We make a lot of content together, so we're going to need this space down the road a lot more. And that's why we're going to be creating this little tiny corner. I'm going to take you through the step-by-step process with me. So stay tuned through the video, and I am literally craving to show you guys the final outcome. That's a major portion that's got done, but it is taxing, and I want to make sure I get the edges right. So let's see how that goes. So we just got done with the painting process. We went for black. You guys have probably already got a hint as to how this is going to turn out. I think the black color keeps it extremely classy. We went for the black wood IKEA Linman Atlas table to go with the theme. We loved how the texture of the black wood looked. We ran some LED strips around the edges of the table that added to the overall ambience of the studio. To break the contrast, we went for the Lobbergit Blitzcar chair with adjustable height from IKEA as well. We also laid out a grey felt wool carpet underneath. With a little excess from the carpet, we managed to cut out a desk mat and some coasters for the table that went with the feel and again helped break the contrast. In the corner of the room, we added a fake plant to uplift and add to the aesthetic and the ambience of the studio. Welcome to our studio. We had some dear friends help us creating these minimalistic frames to go with our minimalistic look. A huge thanks to them. We chose to go by a quote that we thoroughly stick by and one which motivates and inspires us every time we're in the studio. The next major piece in the studio would be our 24-inch IPS Full HD monitor from Acer. Again, going with the element of minimalism, this monitor was almost bezel-less to look at and was also ultra-thin, coming in at only 6.6 mm. Powering the entire setup was my 13-inch 2020 MacBook Pro M1. We also threw in a generic Bluetooth keyboard to keep the clutter of wires away. The mouse we added was also a generic one that also connects to the setup via Bluetooth, keeping it neat and classy. We used an old Harman Kardon Bluetooth speaker that we had lying around for the audio experience. We also brought in an existing wood cabinet which breaks the colors of the studio and helps us with our immediate storage needs. We laid out our camera gear such as the camera bodies and lenses over the cabinet, using them as decorative props when not in use. We also intentionally used a studio light mid-set to give us a nice, chic, realistic studio touch. We were overall extremely pleased with the ambience, functionality and versatility of our YouTube home studio / desk setup, and we can't wait to begin shooting a ton of future videos in that space. So coming to the end, we did switch up a few things midway between the project. I wasn't too happy with how the LEDs ran the first time around. There was this curve below the table which we switched up. I'm pretty sure you noticed it in the video as well. Now they are more flush towards all the edges of the table, so it looks a lot more neat. Besides that, if you guys did enjoy this video, do give us a thumbs up, share it with your friends, share it with your family, tell us what you guys think in the comment section. Stick around, stay blessed, keep putting in the work, and I shall catch you guys in the next one.